Police, me have to ask, you have plans to kill my mother? Because woman constable Cassandra Hutchinson, which I'm my mother daughter, they on her top of her voice yesterday down at Bamboo River say, anyway the police say see my mother, she gonna know what God she has served. So you have plans to kill my mother? Well, me I gonna make sure she available next week. Cause me also want to know what God she has served. Me I gonna make sure say you see her next week. You understand me I deal with? Yeah. My mother buy her a piece of land from 1999, piece of capture land. Build up her house on it. Cassandra turn police. Me tell my mother said, don't make nobody put her nothing on your house, not even me. She never hear. Cassandra put her room on my mother's house. Add on this, add on that. Two of them jump off. It reached to a stage where this girl, I got to man, the man called me blood clot Monday. Say, Messi, me I go tell you 3 times. Keep your mother away from your sister. At 2 times she approached me already. I asked me how much money me would I take to kill your mother. And if I want next jumping man, your mother would have dead already. And Monday me get that call. You don't know? Cassandra Hutchinson from the Marant Bay Constabulary. You don't know? Yes. Me here. And y'all walk and talk about, oh, lie them a tell. Set them a set me up. Me come from Bamboo River. And you go look somebody if you kill my mother, which is your mother. You go look somebody if you kill my mother. Can you say I know your mother? You go look somebody if you kill my mother. Me come from Bamboo River. And you go look somebody we associated with Bamboo River. The same man where you did one kill 5 years ago, him I go to. The man said, Messi, and she come herself. She come, she park the car and she send Shana, that are the black thick girl with the whole heap of picnic. Exactly so. And when the man attack, bro, and I'm alone there. So they say reach and you talk about people that try to set you up. Me know your style. And you have Marant be a police them and antagonize my mother youth. Me I tell you that every day my mama call me. 9 out of 10 times she a ball. My mother is 61 years old. Virgin, my mother have to left out her own yard and left here in it. Go up her sister and stay. Virgin, at 2, 3, 4 times a day, Marant be a police them antagonize the people because every minute Cassandra go up there with a different complaint. Oh, my mother said this, my mother do this. When you look, Virgin, 5, 6, 7, you don't think a dodos them a blood clot go for. You don't know. You want if I want 50 and I want 2, Virgin, my mother are 60 and my auntie are 50. You wonder if a 2 whole people police are go for, so what them do? Nothing. Cassandra said this, Cassandra said that. You don't know? The woman have her yard and you jump off and you change the lock. The woman lock out her yard. My mother lock out her yard youth for a week. Bad man, I want you to go up at the station and tell them. The superintendent up at the station say, Cassandra, give your mother the key. You say, no. My mother have reached our commissioner office. And from commissioner office to down an eye probe. Bad man, when eye probe gets involved in this, the soup even realize it's serious and I saw your gun get taken away. When FLA involved in this, then seize the firearm. Because you go tell my auntie, say, tranquility, I go come draw my mother body. And the superintendent up a Marant Bay Constabulary send for my auntie. And ask her if I true and she say yes. You tell me auntie to tell my mother say, yo, Cassandra Hutchinson from the Marant Bay Constabulary, I go make tranquility come from my mother body. You don't know? But you now do nothing yourself. Me know your style. Because when me I did good enough, remember good enough. When me I did good enough, you come to me come ask if me don't know nobody where can do things. Say what you mean. You know what I mean? Me say, why you feel like me don't know somebody like that? You say, well, you come from Bamboo River. Me say, who you want to do things? You say, McGregor. Me say, who near McGregor? You say, want police. Me say, what McGregor do? You say, you know, if you tell me, you want McGregor for dead. Me say, yo, bro, me not involve myself in that. And when me say, no, you go to other people. Remember good now? When you're the other person jump off, you feel like the person that go carry your name, you run go up at the station first, you know. Go tell your inspector, say the man, I walk, I call your name, say you ask him to do things. When you look, police harass the man. And me tell the man, say, yo, tell the inspector the truth. Because you did ask the man to do things. I saw you stay. And then you go on like you're innocent. You go up at the bridge and every day the police them come. Harass my mother, brother, my mother have to day so. She have to day so. When you look, Virgin, How much in police there the people in yard when bagger wanted man there St. Thomas? You know? I harass the people them every single day. I they never pass you. And it happen for months now. Come off from my mother bomb buckler case, Virgin. The whole of me attack, man. Marriott be a policeman. Only now nothing else to do, Virgin. Bad man. Every day my mother call me and put the phone on video police in the yard. My auntie text me yesterday. Taishan, at 3 times from morning police come here.
Police come and me gate again this morning. I go ask to come on. And when me start out, they walk when when me start to part, they walk when as classic shit. The police and pick it up and I run come. Me tired of them now, man. Me tired of them.
I walk and ask my mother for Rose Campbell wanted in a St. Thomas, brother. Rose Campbell wanted in a St. Thomas youth. Every minute Cassandra go up a station. My mother said this. My mother, when I look at be a bomb buckler police. But one time my mother go up a station and lay a report. Uno say it's a civil case. Uno can't do nothing about it. Uno video her, sit down in the station and post it on the internet. Mother this, sit down in the station. One suit of clothes on her back. Because her daughter lock her out her own yard. And instead of give the woman justice, stay in the station. If you look good, you can't see the book. You can't see the book them. Then stay in the station, Virgin, and I video the woman and I put it on social media. But when Cassandra come and say, my mother said this about me when I look 5, 6, 7 Jeep load of police. Let me show you, brother. Tell me if I ever hear this. The police girl living at the house. Bills in my mother's name because I fear her place. My mother say, yo, she go cut off the light because she hear say, the police say. She go run up the bill to 100,000. I say, yeah man, cut it off. Virgin, the woman go down a JPS and tell him, say, cut off the light. Listen this, you know. But more you tell me if you ever hear this in the history of blood clot police force. The woman go down a JPS and tell him, cut off the light. Brother, 3 o'clock that happened. Yes, it's 6 o'clock. At 6, because my mother called me and put the phone on video. 6 Jeep load of police out of my auntie gate. 6 Jeep load of police out of my auntie yard gate youth. Be a bomb buckler man in a blue denim suit. AR-15 rifle, M16 rifle, MP5 submachine gun and Glock 17 pan belly with blood clot mask and gloves. I hunt down 2 old woman. When I hunt down the people in Virgin, every day the woman call me. Taishan police in my yard. Taishan police in my yard. I want me to feel my call police for me so. Productive member of society. The people in my church going people. Now enough of my criminal history. Enough of my criminal history. And let them know I run down. But now every day, might be a police them in a jar yard. Every day might be a... Brother, it might sound like me exaggerate, you know. When I say every day, I mean Sunday to Sunday in a bad man. 3, 4 times a day, you know. Yesterday, the police come at jar yard 6 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and 7 o'clock in the bomb buckle at night in the Virgin. One of harass the people in for brother. And the man must shoot up down a bomb river, and yes, they must shoot up down there from in the night and don't go down there till in the morning. But I could never hear some mother over back bush. No, blood clot. Not even 10 minutes and reach over there. You know if you go, man. Marant be